Hello and welcome back. Steel Pinnings here once again, and today I have a challenge lock, and this one is in the form of a Abus 83 AL45, and it is apparently the Corbin Keyway, but it is the collaboration, kind of like Jersy Shore's The Collaboration. It's the collaboration, but the complication. This one's supposed to be the complication, I'm sure. Lockpicking Patrolman and Mr. Bill Bacardi, and of course, there's the bidding. Nice up down up down. I've still got this cold. It's kicking my ass, but I'm not gonna let it tear into me anymore. So I'm just gonna put this here up in the vise. Alright, nice and tight. Let's see. A little bit closer. A little bit higher. There we go. Okay. I'm gonna zoom to it, and we'll see if we can do a Bosnian Bill quality pick on this. I'm going to use a homebrew pick from my buddy Mr. Truckmaster 30, and it's his nice high reach 50 thousandths pry bar with top keyway tension. There we go. Get it in place there, and we're just gonna go in and find the binder. Number one did it, and we got a little movement on the core. Nice. Number two, nada. Three, nada. Four, got it. Got a little click. Pulling back to 3 and 2, got 2. And now 1. Alright. We'll go back of the lock where we haven't gotten to yet. There's 6. 5. Got a little counter and a click. Nice. Turn on the core, false set. Coming backwards. Got a little sponginess. Got it on 2. Little counter rotation. Come on now. Keep slipping off of it. There we go. Lots of turn. And we got it set. 2's now set. 3. 4. Got a little counter off of 4. I think 5 springy. Lost my false set trying to find it again. Just kind of bouncing off of them. I think it's going to be back up here on 2 and 1. If not, then I might need to, I don't know, I might overset it on that one. Yep, there, I got my false set back because I had overset it. Got a nice one there. That was on 2 again. 3. Got it set. 4, not a little bit more movement. 5, 6. Set, 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 and set. There. Working my way back. Got a little more movement when I touched 3. Alright, now we're going to go through one by one. One wants to give me a little something. Let me get a different pick. Try a Peterson gem. A little stronger, I think. More sturdy. It's kind of wants to give me a counter on it, but I think it oversets it. I'm gonna restart this whole thing. 5 minutes in, right? Alright, there's one again. Couple clicks on 2. Same with 3 and 4. Well, this thing just turned into a crunchy monkey, didn't it? Of course, you know, camera's on, so it's gotta put up a fight. I'm no Bosnian Bill. Nor Bill Bacardi. I'm no Bill of any kind. This thing's just laughing at me now, isn't it? Alright, I overset it again. Let off. There we go. I know I got quiet and stopped calling them all out because, well, kind of concentrating. I overset 2 again, I think. I keep bouncing off of 2 and 4. Weird. Alright, I felt like a set. Felt like a set. And the false set there. It was 1 the whole time, guys. Holy crap. Alright. Yeah, it was a tricky one, guys. Tricky. Almost pulled me out of all my time there, didn't it? Yeah, this camera shit messing with me. I'm sorry. Alright. There we go. Let's see. Got a Phillips. Well, this might work. Voila. Okay. It's a regular C-clip. Alright. Do I even have a damn pinning tray? Yeah, here we go. Got one. Mr. Bobby Keys sent me. Here we are. Got a follower. So, whoa, we lost the little Z bar. Should be a good spot. Pins are my side. Maybe I better shim it, huh? Got one right here. Drop it. Okay. give. Could have remembered that, right? Not gonna pop in a hole. Nope. Good. Voila. We have a. Yeah, that is a good false set. Or deep overset trap. Let me zoom to it. It tends to look better. There we go. Okay, so let's shoot these out and have a peek. Nice. Wonder which ones you guys did. Who had 1, 2, and 3, and then 4, 5, 6. Four, 5 are standard. 3, 4, 5 are standard. And the other ones are serrated. Cool. Let's see here. Alright, 1 and 4 and 6 are threaded, and the rest are undercut. Let's check, see what's up top. Sorry, gotta work around the camera. One's a standard. This one's a standard spring. 2 is a spoolie. Looks like a steel spoolie, maybe. Ah, 3 is a little kooky looking thing. Nice serrated there. 6 is another spool. Or 5, I mean. Yeah, that was 6, I'm sorry. 5 is here. Another spool. Well, it was number 3 that kept throwing me off all kinds of backwards. I don't see anything done here. Nothing was gone in through the bottom. I think we're good. Let's have a good look at these here. A couple of them are pretty special. You guys, if you don't mind, mark down in the comments which ones y'all did. This one here is really cool looking, and it's probably the one that gave me the most crap. Find it here. Come on. There we go. Definitely a chest piece sort of looking thing. Pretty. And then we have standard spool, or commercial. And this thing looks like the checkers and chess type of serrated. They might have cut it themselves, but if they did, they were pretty darn uniform about it. One here got a nice little T to it. 2 is some sharp ones with a nice little bend to the top, T element. Boy, I tell you, if those were on the driver's side, they'd have kicked my ass. Alright guys, same springs all the way through it. That was a really cool lock. I really do appreciate y'all putting it together and putting it out. I will put it back together and get it back out so that others can enjoy it. I thank you so much for joining me on this. Y'all, please stay safe and always stay legit. If you like this video and like what I do here, hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button to see more. And as always, until we meet again, peace.